Good afternoon all. Today we are going to see about basic FIR digital filter structures. A casual FIR filter of order n is characterized by a transfer function h of z, which is given by h of z equal to n is equal to summation of n is equal to 0 to n h of n into z inverse. Here h of n is called as the impulse response, z inverse which is the polynomial. In the time domain, the input-output relation of the above FIR filter, which is given by y of n equal to summation of k is equal to 0 to n h of k into x of n minus k. A FIR filter of order n is characterized by the coefficient n plus 1, and in general it requires n plus 1 multipliers and n 2 input adders. Structures in which the multiplier coefficient are previously the coefficients of the transfer function are called direct form structures. A direct form realization of the FIR filter can be readily developed for the convolution sum, which is described as indicated below for n equal to 4. Here x of n is the input, y of n is the output, this is the summation point, this one is the delay element, z inverse is called as the delay element. An analysis of the structure which will yields. So here y of n will yields h of 0 into x of n, h of 0 into x of n. Then next, which is added with the likewise h of 1 into x of n minus 1. Then next, these things are added with the x of n minus 2 into h of 2. Then next it is added with the h of 3 into x of n minus 3. Next one, it is added with the h of 4 into x of n minus 4. So here we are having totally 4 delay elements, that's why x of n minus 4. Here we are having 3 delay elements, so that's why here we are having x of n minus 3. Here we are having 2 delay elements, that's why here we are having x of n minus 2. Likewise this one, this also. So here an analysis of the structure, y of n is equal to h of 0 into x of n plus h of 1 into x of n minus 1 plus h of 2 into x of n minus 2 plus h of 3 into x of n minus 3 plus h of 4 into x of n minus 4. Suppose we are having total number of delay which is equal to capital N, means h of capital N into x of small n minus capital N, which is precisely of the form of the convolution sum description. The direct form structure shows on the previous slide, which is also known as tapped delay line or else the transceiver filter. This is called as the tapped delay line or else the transceiver filter. The transpose of the direct form structure shown earlier is indicated below. Both the structures are canonic with respect to the delays. So here you are having tapered, that is the transpose form of the direct form structure. This is the transpose form. So here you are having this delay element here with respect to the adder. Then here you are having h of 4. This is the delay element. So h of 4 into the delay element x of n minus 1. Then here you are having h of 3 into x of n minus 2, h of 2 into x of n minus 3, h of 1 into x of n minus 4, and so on. Here you are having h of 0 into x of n minus 5, and so on. So both these structures which are in the canonical form with respect to the delay element, these delay elements are called as tapered delay element.